In this video, I am gonna steam callaloo, curry cabbage, boil eggs, fry plantain, and with a cup of Lipton tea. Typical Jamaican breakfast for me. Okay, so I only use the callaloo leaves. So right now I am removing the leaves from the stem using a scissors or kitchen shear. Next, I am removing a thin strip from the back of the leaves. Soak the callaloo leaves into salted water. This will get rid of worm eggs that are maybe on the callaloo leaves. So gonna soak the callaloo leaves into salted water for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna curry half of a small cabbage as well. So I am soaking the cabbage into salted water as well for the same purpose as the callaloo. After soaking the callaloo leaves into salted water for about 5 minutes, rinse with tap water and then gather either 4 or 5 leaves and then cut them into small chunks or slice them as thinly as possible. So now I am putting the callaloo into a container, then season with salt, all-purpose, and black pepper. Also, I am adding few slices of onion, 2 cloves garlic, and piece of hot pepper to the callaloo. If you will be following this recipe, you can always use tomato if you want, or sweet pepper if you want. I don't want those ingredients into my steamed callaloo. Now for the cabbage, slice the cabbage as thinly as possible. Put the cabbage into a container and then I season with salt, all-purpose, and black pepper, as well as onion, garlic, and add pepper. So I'm gonna allow the cabbage to sit on the countertop for about 5 minutes to release the gas. The battery needs charging while I was frying the plantain, so I did not record anything much about the plantain, but you will see it at the end of the video. So after recharging the battery, I boil 6 eggs. I normally boil my eggs for like 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let them sit in the water for like 20 minutes. Put vegetable oil into a skillet, then I am adding the callaloo. Gonna cover the skillet to allow the callaloo to steam, to produce its own water, right, and steam. Some people put a little bit of water on the callaloo. I don't, because my callaloo produces enough water to steam it. Also, I don't use over mature callaloo, right? So it is easy to steam. If you use over mature callaloo, the callaloo will be very difficult to steam and it will taste bitter. And listen, it will taste not good, basically speaking. So make sure that the callaloo is not over mature. So just gonna keep stirring it until and cover it, let it steam. Takes about, I would say, about 15 minutes, maybe less. You don't know? Yeah, man. The callaloo takes about 15 minutes to steam. As I mentioned before, I am using callaloo that is not over mature. Therefore, the callaloo is soft and so it is so easy to steam. The skillet on medium-low heat because I do not want the cabbage to steam soft. I want it to have like a crunch to it, so I do not want it to produce a lot of water, so that's why it is on medium-low heat. And then I added some vegetable oil, and now I am adding about 2 teaspoons of Indian curry. Gonna allow the curry to burn in the hot oil for just a couple seconds. And then I am gonna add the cabbage and stir the cabbage, and I'm gonna steam the cabbage for like 15 minutes. I'm not gonna add any water to it, just gonna cover the pot, steam it on medium high heat. After 15 minutes or so, the cabbage is ready. This is my breakfast. I worked out this morning. I did a short sprint, took a shower, and then prepared breakfast. You understand? So I am having fried rye plantain, boiled eggs with a little bit of salt and black pepper, and Lipton tea, no sugar. Drink it unsweetened. And steam callaloo and curried cabbage. Yeah, man. No bread, no fried dumplings. Just what you're looking at, That is my breakfast. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and click the post notification bell so that you will know when I upload a new video to this channel. Walk good until next time.